You manage your bank accounts pretty tightly, and your fuel tanks should be no different. Hello everyone, this is Ray, your SM2 superfan, and I'd like to know, what does fuel management mean to you? I'm willing to bet your answer goes beyond just controlling your pumps and tracking who takes what and how much of it. What is going on inside your fuel tanks has to be a part of it. It has to. Without that, you're not seeing the whole picture. SM2 Fuel's inventory module has been designed to make managing your tanks as simple and easy as possible. SM2 can either use one of our own tank gauging systems, which by the way are pretty much the most affordable in the market, or interface with your existing tank monitoring system to capture tank levels in real time and automatically generate reports like inventory reconciliation for any given period. A tank management system can also reveal potentially very expensive problems like leaks through alarms and notifications, theft, and getting shortchanged on fuel drops. Okay, so we are in the Inventory Management tab. These sub-menu items are what we're here to see. The first one I want to show you is deliveries, which is where you record fuel drops. This, of course, is crucial when it comes to managing fuel inventory, and since you get to put the cost of each delivery, the system provides dollar values for fueling transactions. Tank gauging is where you put in tank level info if you capture it manually, i.e. with a dipstick. If you have probes inside your tanks, either ours or your own, this data is captured automatically. Here is where you can find totalizer readings. This can either be input manually or captured automatically by SM2 Fuel's RF totalizer chips. SM2 Fuel also allows you to view probe alarms and notifications. If you have tank gauging, the inventory activity screen gives you the gap for a given period between the measured fuel volume and the calculated one based on past transactions and deliveries. You can also perform and view period closures in the aptly named Period Closures section. And finally, as with all other SM2 tabs, you have your more traditional reports that generate PDFs. Other videos will go more in depth with these reports, notably the Inventory Reconciliation Report, which reconciles your measured levels against fueling transactions, deliveries, and totalizer readings. The fuel in your tanks is basically liquid money sitting in your yard, and the level of control and management of those tanks should reflect that importance. Contact us today to learn more about SM2 Fuel's inventory management module, and until next time, keep it efficient.